Very easy to care for and very low maintenance. Let's talk about the ZZ plant. Specifically today, we're talking about the Raven variety, just in time for spooky season. We saw it show up a little bit during 2020 with just a little bit of availability. Now it's pretty popular that you can find it a lot of places. We have some now. The difference between the typical ZZ and the Raven is the color of the foliage. So any new foliage that comes on this Raven is going to be this bright green like you can see here. But as the leaf matures, it darkens in color, that eventually once that leaf has hardened, become a little bit more mature, it's going to be that deep burgundy black Raven color. Your ZZ plant prefers medium to bright indirect light, but it's extremely adaptable. So if you have a low light setting, maybe a room without a window, they can tolerate that low light, or they'll even appreciate some fluorescent lighting. ZZ plants like to dry out 100% before they're watered again, so make sure your soil is completely dry between waterings. Sometimes you can get away with watering just once a month. Each time that you water, make sure you're fully saturating all the soil in the pot and making sure your pot has good drainage. Don't allow it to sit in excess water. So after it's had a good drink, dump any extra water and your plant should be happy. Happy planting!